Hello! My kids love this Astronaut robot star projector as a nightlight, but like all kids, one day they dropped the robot on the floor and the projector's galaxy stars stopped rotating. Today I will show you how to easily fix this problem. It's very simple to repair this star projector and make your kids happy again. If you have any problems, please comment under this video and I will do my best to help you. But now, good luck!